Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can see your location in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on settings. Then we scroll down and under privacy control we find see my location. Here, if we have location access available, like we allowed the app to have access to our location, here we can select who can see our location. It's either my friends except, and then we can select who to exclude from this list, or only these friends, where we can select a number of friends from our friends list to let them see where we are on the map. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.